clothes. I knew it! What kind of mom does that? You'll have to clean up this trash after.
Oh, I have to clean it up? Your trash.
And me and Ben get to relax. Because I hate cleaning up. More clothes. Mama! Come on! I hate clothes.
That's so nice.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you,
Of
Ben.
course, honey.
Huh?
Ben gets a thank you, and I get, what kind of mommy are you?
Is that what you wanted?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll suck your blood, Mama. For giving me clothes.
Okay. Open that one right there. Not that one.
Come on. More clothes.
All right, you have one left.